This is Swyn Haf, who's come to Brussels for a week to experience life in the Parliament and life in my office. What have you made of it so far? What sort of things have you been doing?
I've really enjoyed it so far. I really think that it's been good for me to come here to see, how things really work on the ground. I've sat in on various committees and hearings. I've just come from one on finding a policy that can fit in across Europe for dealing with domestic violence, which is a really big problem despite, the enlightened age that we live in. Something else that was very relevant, very current and very interesting that I also have had the privilege of sitting in on was the development hearing about Palestine, the Israel-Palestine situation. I was in the room when Tony Blair appeared and gave his presentation, and I just really felt that this is an amazing opportunity for someone who's only 20 years old to come out here and really see, these politicians, people you see on the news doing their work and actually seeing, yes, things are being discussed and questions are being raised and being put to these people. They are being held accountable with, elected representatives.
So you would encourage other people from Wales to do the same, to come over to Brussels and to see what the European Parliament does?
I certainly would. I really think it's important. We can't ignore it. We're part of the European Union, and I think it is only good for people to know how the institutions that represent them, how they run, how they work, to get to know the people who represent them if they can. I just think that's beneficial.
Thank you very much.